All right, let's work through finding the given ratio, trigonomic ratio, for a question like this. Now, when you see a question like this on your Unit 10 test, this is kind of the first time you've seen a question like this, unless you did the practice test. You should do the practice test. But here we go. We're going to try this one. It's asking us to find sin, or sine is how you pronounce it, but it is written sin because that's the way it is on the calculator. Sine C. So the first step is we're going to write out our mnemonic so that we remember exactly which ratios are which. So I'm going to write it right over here. I don't like that color. Could have sworn I switched colors. All right, SOHCAHTOA. Y'all, I've been doing this for over 25 years. I've been doing trig, and I still write it out, Sakatoa. If you have to think about your teacher sitting there sucking her toe to get you to remember this, do it. Sakatoa, Sokatoa, however you want to go for it. So, suck, whichever. Now, this tells us our trig ratios. We divide them every 3 letters. So we're looking for sine, which is right here. So I know sine is OH, or opposite over hypotenuse. So I am looking for opposite, or the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Now remember, what is opposite and what is adjacent is relative to where you are sitting or where your angle is. So let's think about a dining room table. Wherever you're sitting, the person across the table is opposite of you. The person sitting next to you that you're going to elbow when you eat is adjacent. Now, if you move chairs, those people will change. Same is true in trig ratios. So we're looking for sine C. So here is C right here. So this is our seat at the table. Okay, y'all? This is our seat. So the side that is opposite is the one that I have to travel across the triangle to get to. So I know 6.3 is opposite. Now the hypotenuse will always be A, the longest side, and B, across from the right angle. Always. The hypotenuse doesn't change. I don't care where you're sitting at the table, the hypotenuse will never change. It's always the longest side of the right triangle and across from the right angle. So that means that this line AC, that's 7 centimeters, this one right here, is our hypotenuse. So 6.3 over 7. That's all you do. That's my answer. Enjoy. Come see me if you have any questions.